Do you ever scroll through your phone wondering how people earn money online, while you're still searching for the real thing that works? What if I told you that there are hidden websites, real ones, where companies literally pay you to share your opinion? Not scams, not clickbait, but legit platforms that quietly pay millions to users every single month. Stay till the end, because one of these websites doesn't just give you money. It gives you control over your time. And that last one? Hardly anyone knows it exists. But first, let's start from the beginning, where most people give up, and a few finally begin. So sit tight, take a deep breath, and imagine earning just by answering questions. This is not a fantasy. It's a reality that's been hiding in plain sight. Let's uncover it, one website at a time. The internet is filled with fake promises. Earn $1,000 a day, make money overnight. You've seen them all. But what if I told you there are a few survey websites that actually do pay? Not to trick you, but because global companies are desperate for your honest opinions. You are their goldmine of information. These companies spend billions on research every year, and your survey answers help them build better products, fix services, and predict future trends. That's why your opinion has value, real monetary value. You're not being tricked. You're being traded for data, but smart people trade their time for cash. And here's the twist. These sites are simple, free to join, and they don't need experience. Just your truth, your answers, your voice. Website number 1, Swagbucks. A name you've probably heard but never really believed. Yet it's one of the few platforms that has paid over $700 million to its users worldwide. Every survey, every ad, every search, it all counts. Imagine logging in during a boring evening, answering a few questions and watching points turn into dollars, into real PayPal cash. It's slow at first, yes, but steady. And once you learn the pattern, the higher paying surveys, the right times to log in, it starts to feel like a small, secret income. But here's the emotional truth. People who gave up too early never saw what Swagbucks could really become. Consistency here is the key, not luck, not magic. Consistency. Website number 2. Inbox dollars looks ordinary, yet behind its simple interface hides a system that rewards every click, every opinion, every video you watch. It's not glamorous. It's not fast, but it's real. It's for those who are tired of fake shortcuts. Those who don't mind a few extra minutes a day to earn honestly. You get paid for surveys, games, and even emails. Yes, emails. It's small income, but real. Verifiable and satisfying. And maybe, just maybe, this slow and steady earning will remind you that success is not about going viral. It's about showing up daily, even when no one claps for you. Website number 3. Toluna Influencers. Toluna feels different. Here you don't just answer, you influence. Every opinion you give helps brands shape their products and campaigns. You become part of a massive decision-making machine without even realizing it. It's like being in a secret club of voices that decide what the world buys next. Your answers guide real changes in products that end up on supermarket shelves. That's power, quiet power. And the beautiful part? They don't ask for anything you don't already have. Your thoughts, your emotions, your experiences. That's all. That's enough. Website number 4. YouGov isn't just a survey site. It's a voice that shapes politics, brands, and global decisions. When you join, you're not just earning, you're influencing. The surveys you answer often make their way into real news reports and global discussions. Every click, every opinion gets recorded in powerful databases that world leaders and major corporations actually read. You're not invisible here. You're part of something massive. And as you earn, you realize that this is more than extra cash. It's validation. That your opinions matter. Something money can't buy, but this platform rewards anyway. Website number 5. Life Points is where stories turn into surveys. It's one of the most underrated platforms, yet it quietly pays thousands of users daily. Their system is beautifully simple. Answer, collect points, cash out. But here's what they never tell you. Life Points often sends personal, emotion-driven surveys that connect deeply with your own life. As you answer, you reflect. You think, sometimes you even heal. And the irony? While you're being paid for your time, you're also learning about yourself, your habits, your dreams, your choices. A rare kind of earning, emotional and financial, the hidden truth. All these platforms work, but they demand patience. You won't get rich overnight, and that's the biggest truth no one wants to hear. Real online income isn't magic, it's habit. The people who make hundreds every month didn't do anything special. They just didn't quit. They knew slow progress was still progress. They knew every click, every answer was one step closer to independence. So before you skip this as too small, remember, every empire started with one small coin. And this could be yours. The mistakes people make: most people join, click a few surveys, and vanish. They expect miracles. But miracles don't visit those who don't stay. They quit too soon, right before the money starts showing up. Then they say, it doesn't work. But what doesn't work is our patience. The system is designed to reward consistency, not impulse. So if you're truly tired of waiting for the perfect opportunity, this is your wake-up call. The real opportunity is here now in your hands, disguised as a few simple questions waiting for your answers. The mindset shift online earning isn't about skill anymore. It's about discipline. Anyone can make a profile. But can you stay long enough to see it grow? Can you treat these small surveys as stepping stones, not disappointments? Each survey you complete is training your mind for bigger ventures. It's teaching you patience, focus, and trust in your own efforts. That's how most online entrepreneurs actually start. Small, quiet, consistent. So next time you open one of these sites, don't see it as just surveys. See it as your digital classroom, where you learn to earn. Maybe this isn't the flashiest video you'll watch today. But if you're still here listening, then something inside you wants change. You don't want quick money. You want real control. Start small. One survey, one day, then another. Watch how your mindset and your wallet starts shifting. It's not the website that changes your life. It's your persistence. And if this video made you pause even for a second, hit subscribe. Because here, we don't chase dreams. We build them, one truth at a time. Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and never stop believing in your small beginnings.